Welcome to the yard. With integrated SAP Yard Logistics, the planning of yard operations is highly automated for the short and medium term. Transportation planners hand over to the yard planner directly in the system. The yard planner reviews and confirms the automated planning results. Full visibility in the automated planning process, the first step in a digitized process. The central planning overview is continuously updated and can be shared with colleagues, supervisors, or other departments. Depending on user authorization, data can be viewed, modified, or completely hidden. Leverage first-rate collaboration and a single point of truth approach for your organization. Manual planning is only necessary in exceptional situations. The effort required for the planners is minimal, as they utilize template documents in which processes and business partners are predefined and reused. The yard planner manages the available time slots for visiting trucks per loading point of the hub. Time slots offered to external carriers consider factors such as dock capacity and resource availability. External carriers log on to a web portal and get an overview of their individual transports to and from the yard. Additional information like driver's name, license plate and phone number are provided by the carrier in a pop-up. The carrier chooses an available time slot to book. The corresponding planned execution times in SAP are updated, with the information being shared to everybody involved in the process. A streamlined arrival planning for process efficiency. Once the truck arrives to the yard, the truck drivers are guided through the check-in routine. They identify themselves using a reference code or by scanning the issued QR code. Relevant safety instructions and visualized guidelines are shown. The truck drivers are asked simple questions about their equipment and cargo to gather information for the truck handling. After the self-check-in, short messages are sent from Yard Logistics to the phones of the drivers to inform them about available warehouse doors or waiting times. The parallelization and automation of check-ins reduces the workload for internal staff significantly. The yard cockpit is the central monitoring tool for the yard operator. The yard cockpit is a digital twin of the current operations happening around the warehouse. In combination with the continuously updated execution data in the system, all movements, inspections and loading procedures are followed as they happen. The yard supervisor sees truck details on demand and can trigger follow-up actions from here. Warehouse doors, parking spots and other areas can be blocked by mouse click. The yard supervisor plans ad hoc tasks like shunting directly in the cockpit, sending out the jobs directly to the workers in the yard. Yard Logistics is seamlessly integrated to license plate readers and uses geofencing position tracking. The automation of your yard starts with SAP Yard Logistics. The workers in the yard operators, have access to several mobile apps to see and confirm their jobs. The operator can view and log job details like source and destination, questionnaires, measurements and seals. Pictures can be taken at every step in the process. Yard Logistics logs in real time the processing of jobs and stores the results. A digital replacement for pen and paper-based processes that reduces communication time and improves the overall process efficiency. YL Insights features centralized reporting in real time. Users log on to a summary of KPIs and dashboards and see the most recent overall status of the yard. Graphs and charts are compared directly in the UI. An advanced filter option narrows down the results in focused work centers. With Yard Logistics as source system, you can view the overall utilization of your yard at any point in time and react to disruptions on the spot. The KPIs are shared within the organization and follow the single source of truth concept. A direct comparison of KPIs is possible for historic and present data. Single source of truth. A flexible evaluation enables an automatic reporting day per day, also taking into account changes in the business partner network. Dashboards are highly customizable per user or per user group. Alerts will be triggered automatically if trends exceed predefined thresholds. With YL Insights, forecasts can be added to every timeline. Future developments are seen before they arise, giving you the best visibility to react in time. Comments are inserted directly on UI level and in the workflow. No need to comment on figures outside of the system. Overall, YL Insights is a powerful tool to evaluate the historic, present, and future situation of your yard. With this centralized reporting, you are enabled to holistically assess your yard's operations and improve your processes. Get control over your processes. From traditional reporting to live control center. Yard Logistics is the perfect tool to holistically improve your supply chain by focusing on the gap between transportation and warehousing, your yard operations. Yard Logistics will digitize your processes. A digital process is the first step towards process automation. Yard Logistics takes control of the process and orchestrates loading facilities, weighbridges, barriers and warehouse doors by integrating into IoT devices and OCR technology. Yard Logistics will increase the throughput rate of your yard significantly by establishing an integrated arrival and capacity planning, followed by mobile scenarios, decentralization of job distribution, and parallelization of sub-processes. Success stories. Minus 70% reduction of manual administrative time, plus 130% increased truck and trailer capacity. Global standardization of operations. Streamlined collaboration between departments and between companies and carriers. Increased process efficiency and therefore cancellation of new constructions. Your yard can do more.